Hello and welcome to Ipswich's Real Estate Podcast, a podcast where we help you navigate the often complex world of buying, selling and renting here in Ipswich and the surrounding areas. I'm Steve Athanates. I'm the owner of NGU Real Estate Ipswich and a few other businesses around the place. We're here today joined by Matthew Taylor-Farrington from Purple Bunny Marketing.
Yes, thanks for having me, Steve.
Good to see you, mate. Now, obviously, we wanted to have a get-together and have a chat and talk about what happened for the month of June.
Yeah.
End of financial year.
The busy month that it is. So
That's right.
So I guess kicking things off, how did we go from a listing perspective? With everything that you're hearing in the news, you're hearing about, auction rates falling, things like that happening. Is that spooking anyone? Are people holding back, or are we still seeing people come to market?
Look, great question. And look, I think if you just watched the news and looked at your Facebook feed in isolation, you think the world's on fire and everything's going to come crashing down. It's really not the reality. Like, for sure, things have slowed down a little bit in terms of, buyers reacting. So days on market for some of our properties has definitely gone up. Not as many people showing up to open homes, so not as much competition. And we talked about this previously on one of our other podcasts, is this change in the market, I guess it represents an opportunity for buyers. Now, obviously, if you listen to the government, they've done all of this to assist first home buyers.
Yes.
Okay? And it's supposedly made it easier for them. The biggest thing that we're finding, truthfully, is there's very few first home buyers out there.
Yes.
They're scared to death.
Yep.
Okay, to buy a house just in case it goes down.
Yes.
So most of the first homeowners, Mr. Albanese, are doing nothing.
Correct.
Absolutely nothing. So they're not coming, they're not buying, and you've made them very afraid.
Yes.
Of the real estate market. So mission not achieved at all. It's a big fail.
Yep.
So that's the reality. Normal mums and dads still active in the marketplace. A big cut down in investors, as you would expect.
Yep.
No capital gains, tax exemptions, no negative gearing. That has definitely had an impact on the investment market. But now it's just normal mums and dads moving up, down and sideways, which is what a traditional real estate market is. But sadly, the first home buyers have not reacted to the supposed stimulus.
Yes.
They're largely inactive in our market. There is a few around, but not what you would expect. You would have thought they would have seen it as a massive opportunity. Instead, they're scared.
Yes.
So they're doing nothing.
Yeah.
Overall, though, in terms of listings,
Yes.
here at NGU Real Estate Ipswich and our surrounding offices, we have had a massive June. We listed an incredible 109 properties.
Yeah, wow.
So that's nearly 4 properties every single day. So to my amazing sales teams, my business owners and partners, congratulations to one and all. You are amazing, and thank you to the support of the Ipswich people who have listed 109 homes with NGU Real Estate here in Ipswich.
Yeah. That's crazy to know that that's still what's happening, yet you hear what you hear in the media and the market and all the people with doom and gloom, yet people are still coming to market and listing. So
yeah, look, and truthfully, I personally thought there would be more people come to market.
Yes.
So whether they're going to wait until spring, we'll wait and see. Traditionally, that's our big listing month when people come to market in September, the 1st of September onwards. But for June, which sometimes can be a quiet month with end of financial year, 109 listings is absolutely massive.
Yes.
Thank you, Ipswich. We really love you.
Yes. Okay, so we've talked about people coming to market, but what actually happened and what transpired when it come to actually selling and moving properties on? Because obviously we do know that has slowed just a little.
It has slowed a little bit, but surprisingly,
yes,
and this might surprise people, with all the things that have happened, we still sold 83 Ipswich homes, in the month of June. So slightly less than 3 a day, but still a massive result. And again, to the people, the buyers who did come out, who've obviously still had faith and belief in the Ipswich real estate market, thank you to you. Congratulations on your purchase. A lot of you are buying well in today's market. You're buying better than you would have 3 months ago, without doubt, and you see value. Now, the key thing is for everyone is don't wait too long, just assuming, like, everyone kept assuming, I'm not going to buy because the prices keep going up.
Yep.
Okay. They won't keep going down as
Either.
well.
Correct,
So you got to try and balance it. And when you find a home that suits you, you've got to jump, just like 83 people did
Correct.
in June.
Yes.
So there's still plenty of people buying. Now, mate, just so you understand, 83 sales. Now, we had some massive ones. One of our agents, Darren Cook, here from our Ipswich office, a couple of massive land deals, 2 deals totaling basically $17 million.
Wow.
Through 2 transactions on big, land parcels. So congratulations to Darren. But overall, for the month, we sold just under $98 million worth of Ipswich real estate.
That's crazy. Yeah.
If you want a result, if you want a great result,
Yes.
come to NGU Real Estate. We'll look after you. $98 million worth of Ipswich real estate sold in the month of June.
Yeah, that's a great result. Excellent.
Huge. Like I can't express to you how proud I am of the team.
Yes.
How grateful we are to our amazing clients, our loyal customers
Yes.
who chose NGU Real Estate over our competitors. So to all of those people out there, thank you so much. We truly do value and we appreciate your support.
Yes. Okay, so we've looked at obviously the listing and selling. Are we still seeing certain pockets of markets that are hot right now? I know we talked last time, Brussels seemed to be one of those focus areas. Is that still?
Yeah, look, like we said, quality areas, whether the market's rising or it's having a slight correction, quality areas will always be well sought after. The one section of our market that is performing so strongly that I feel like I need to talk about it
Yes.
is the top end.
Yep.
So properties that are, even $1.5 million and above. So our acreage properties, nice homes, big sheds, pools,
Yep.
constantly in demand. And believe it or not, even in this market,
Yes.
we're still setting record prices. So we've out at Adair, we've just sold a property out there that beat the previous highest sale by about $160,000.
Yeah, wow.
So the top end of the real estate market is still going up.
Yes.
Everything else has had a slight pause or a correction, but the top end. So if you own a top end home here in Ipswich, an acreage home, you've got a big home with sheds and pools and on 1 acre or more.
Yep.
This is your time.
Yeah, you're doing well.
The market continues to shine and your property continues to appreciate and value because people appreciate it. That top end buyers, they know the value of things. If they want it, they will pay for it.
Correct.
So if you're a top end seller, give us a call. We'd love to be able to help you.
Yep. All right. So obviously switching now into rentals.
Yep.
How do we go there, and are we seeing any flow-on effects there?
No, not really. Surprisingly, rents are not going up. They're not being dramatically affected, not yet.
Yes.
Right, so whether there is a flow-on effect, time will tell. It may take another sort of 3 months before we see a serious flow-on effect from the ramifications of this federal budget. But at this point in time, the good news is for renters,
Yes.
no significant increases, still good supply, and that market is still buoyant. You can find a rental.
Yep.
Obviously you just do the normal things, have your referees in line, do all the normal things that you would be expected to do, go along to your open home inspections, inspect the property, make sure you're happy, submit your applications. Chances are you'll be renting a home here in Ipswich quite quickly.
Yes. Are you seeing any, I guess, with all the changes to CGT and all the stuff that's going on, are you seeing any investors wanting to exit their rental properties? Because obviously that's a risk or a concern for the future.
Yeah, for sure. We have definitely seen some investors exit the market. Really, even though some of their benefits have been grandfathered,
Yes.
some have, and obviously you've got most of your benefits will be intact until I think it's July next year.
Yes.
And then we'll see what happens.
Yep.
And I think, look, that's the key thing is that there's a lot of uncertainty. a lot of devil in the detail of this federal budget, which people still don't really understand.
Yeah.
Accountants don't understand it. Solicitors don't understand it. So how could you, mums and dads and investors at home, how could you understand it?
Yeah.
I'm involved in the real estate industry every day. I don't really understand all the changes.
Yeah.
So they're not yet clear. But we have definitely seen some investors exit the market basically saying, this is all too hard. I don't really want to deal with it, so I'll sell my property now. So it will have a flow-on effect down the track.
Yes.
Conversely, mate, we get some investors who are saying, okay, well, if my benefits are grandfathered, I'll keep my property and I'll never sell it.
Yes.
Because I don't want to pay tax.
That's
So
right.
if I don't sell it, I don't pay tax at all.
Yes.
So it'll go one way or the other.
Yeah.
But we have definitely seen some investors think it's all too hard and just leave.
Yes. Yeah.
But over the course of the month, we've got an amazing team of property managers. Our business development manager, Cassandra Jeff, she brought in, over the month, she brought in 10 new managements. The team managed to rent out 16 properties over the month, so basically one every 2 days.
Yeah.
So that rental market, it's not doing anything crazy. We would consider it stable
Yes.
and, fluid.
Yep.
So things are moving. So
Yes.
if you want an investment property, a rental property, you can find one.
Yes.
All right?
Yeah.
So there's still a decent supply and the prices haven't gone crazy.
Yep. All right. So overall, what would you say is the feedback around the market since all the media, I guess, hype around it?
Yeah,
It's
look-
still pretty, to me, it still seems to be pretty stable.
Look, and it does. Like I said, time will tell. That was the second quarter of 2026 and the end of the 25-26 financial year.
Yes.
Overall, I've got to say, quite positive. Okay, and compared to what you would see, like I said, on TV and your feed on Facebook and all that sort of stuff, our results have defied,
What it's
all the
saying.
doom and gloom.
Yeah.
And I think that it will continue to do so. Australians have a strong love affair with real estate.
Yes.
People love bricks and mortar. We can touch it, we can feel it. It's real. It's not a share
Yes.
or crypto or something that's something nebulous that sort of floats around.
Yeah.
So it's real, and you can obviously live in it or rent it out. So I think that love affair will continue. We may still continue to see some corrections in the market over the short term, but in the long term, I still do believe with the infrastructure and the capital expenditure that's been done for the Olympics coming up
Yes.
in 2032, I still think long term we will see continued growth in the Queensland market. We will be better insulated than our southern states, and to the
Yes.
people in New South Wales and Victoria,
Yeah.
I honestly feel sorry for you. Some of the reports coming out of there in terms of some of the drops of house prices, really not fair, not your fault. The government
Yes.
has decided to go in a particular direction. The consequences are normal mums and dads have lost huge amounts of equity in their family homes, and they didn't ask for this.
Yes.
They didn't vote for this.
No, correct.
Right. So at the end of the day, it's not your fault. Hang on if you can, and obviously, hopefully, things will get better. But very sad for our southern states. But here in Queensland, fortunately, we are better insulated, and we have strong migration from southern states.
Yes.
People wanting to come to Queensland and live and enjoy our weather and things like that. So, Queensland, in our opinion, will never be as affected as our southern states.
Yep.
But there has been some corrections. But
Yes.
in the short term, maybe more corrections. Long term, it's still a really, really positive outlook for Queensland.
Yes.
Right?
Agreed.
So if you have given up on some of the southern states, come to Queensland.
Yep.
Come to Ipswich.
Yes.
Call the team at NGU Real Estate. We'd love to help you.
At any of the offices.
Any
yes.
of our offices. Call any of my business partners. We'd
Yep.
love to help you all.
Yeah, perfect. Well, I don't have anything else for you.
But I don't have anything else
Yeah.
either. For the people who are unfortunately suffering at this point in time, our feelings go out to you.
Yep.
We hope you're okay. Like I said, this is not your fault. This is the result of a government decision which was beyond your control. But hang on. Hopefully things will get better for you soon.
Yes.
Now, guys, if you like our content, if you'd like to hear more or see more, if you've got any questions, click the link below. Your feedback's very important to us and we'd love to hear from you. So once again, a big thank you to Matthew Taylor-Farrington from Purple Bunny Marketing, the number one marketing company in all of Ipswich.
Thank you.
Now, obviously, I'm Steve Athanates, the owner of NGU Real Estate in Ipswich. I look forward to seeing you at our next episode of Ipswich's Real Estate Podcast.